Okay, the cabin is secured. Have a good flight.
ICHP 008, stand 17, request push and start.
3008, Roger. Push and start, approach facing southwest.
Push and start approach stand 17, facing southeast, ICHP 008. Thank you.
AirIndia 865 request IFA clearance to Mumbai as well.
And 865, Roger. Stand by 01 minutes. Sir. I fly 1 to 4, hold position, give away other traffic, I fly 27.
I fly 1 to 4, hold position, give way to I fly 37.
I fly 2 to 7, Ahmadabad Tower.
I fly 2 to 7, ready at holding short runway 05.
I fly 2 to 7, Roger. Line up and wait, runway 05.
Line up and wait 05, I fly 2 to 7.
I fly 1 to 4, continue taxi, hold short runway 05.
I fly 1 to 4, continue taxi, hold short runway 05.
Air India 865, Ahmadabad Tower.
AirIndia 865, go ahead.
Confirm ready to copy clearance.
Affirmative, AirIndia 865.
India 865, we are cleared destination Mumbai, Golf 210, departure runway 05, flying via Bravo Vector Romeo 1 Bravo departure to flight level 060, Bravo Vector Romeo transition, departure with 119.8, squawk 0245.
I fly 2 to 7, ready at runway 05.
Break, I fly 2 to 7, squawk move Charlie.
Squawk mode Charlie, I fly 2 to 7.
I fly 2 to 7, runway 05, clear to take off, winds 140.05 now.
Clear to take off runway 05, I fly 2 to 7. Bye bye.
I fly 1 to 4 behind departure. I fly 1 to 4 behind departure traffic A320. Line up in white, runway 05 behind.
I fly 1 to 4, line up behind departing traffic.
And 865, Ahmadabad Tower, confirm Cockpit.
AirIndia 865, we are cleared for Mumbai as filed out of departure runway 05. Airways Golf 210, departure Cedars Bravo Victor Romeo 1 Bravo. Climb initially 6000 feet, departure available on 119R. Decimal 8, squawk is 0245 in the box, AirIndia 865.
And 865, readback is fully correct, call for push and start.
Call when ready for push and start, AirIndia 865. AirIndia 865, we are fully ready for push and start.
And 865, Roger, there's a change in your flight plan, confirm ready to copy clearance now.
Affirmative, we are ready to copy clearance.
And 865, your clear destination Mumbai, departure runway 02, correction 20. And 865, disregard last transmission, departure runway 23 now.
Roger, departure runway 23, AirIndia 865.
iFly 124 ready to take off from runway 05.
iFly 124, Roger, squawk mode Charlie please. iFly 124, runway 0. iFly 124, runway 05, clear to take off, wind 34005 now.
iFly 124 clear to take off, runway 0.
India 865, confirm ready to copy clearance. Correction confirm ready to pushback.
Affirmative, sir, we are ready to push back.
India 865, confirm you are on stand 24.
Affirmative, sir, we are now on the stand to 4.
Roger, India 865, push and start approved facing southwest.
Push and start approved facing southwest. Air India 865.
I-3008 and our tower confirm ready to copy clear.
Inform IFL 3008, go ahead.
I-3008, your clear destination Kabul. Cross 208, departure runway 23, land via Sarsa 1, Alpha departure to flight level 060, Sarso transition, departure gate 121.5 and squawk 0206.
I confirm departure frequency on the frequency 121.5, the car frequency.
So connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
Say again frequency? I said 3008.
121.
Starting tow.
I said 3008, we are cleared Kabul at level 360, Golf 208 Airway, runway 23, climb via Sastra 1 Alpha departure to flight level 060, departure frequency 121.250, squawk 0300. I said 3008.
I said 3008, readback is fully correct, call for push and start.
I said 3008, we already pushed start, we'll call ready for next.
iFly 215 located runway 05 via Bravo.
I fly 215, Roger, stand by 01.
Air India 865 tower.
Operation complete. Go ahead and set the parking brake.
And 865.
Air India
Disconnecting
865,
tow.
confirm
Standby.
departure runways 23.
And 865, affirmative.
Roger,
I
Air
said
India
3008, request taxi.
Brake. I fly 218, taxi via Papa Bravo Lima 1, stand of your choice.
Papa Bravo Lima 1 for iFly 215, stand off my choice.
And 865, and out tower.
Air India 865 is now ready for
Tow
taxi.
is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on the right. We'll see you next time and have a safe flight.
And 865, Roger, taxi via Lima 1, Alpha, Papa, hold short of Papa, QNH 1007.
Taxi to holding point Papa via Lima 1 Alpha QNH 1007 Air India 865.
I said 3008, request taxi.
I 3008, Roger, taxi via Lima 3, Lima 1, Alpha, Papa, hold short of Papa, QNH 1007.
Taxi to holding point Papa via Lima 3, Lima 1, Alpha, Papa, hold short of Papa, QNH 1007. I said 3008.
Tower, well, good evening. Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot with you requesting radio check.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, Ahmadabad Tower, radio 5x5, go ahead.
Tower, Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot requesting VFR clearance to Bhavnagar as filed. Information on board.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, Roger, standby 02, number 1 for clearance.
Air India 865, I fly Airbus A320 is blocking our taxiway. We are holding position.
And 865, Roger, hold short of Papa.
Roger, we hold short at Papa.
Tower, this is iFlight 215, traffic is on Papa actually.
I fly 215, Roger. I fly 215, Roger, taxi via Golf, stand 31.
Roger, we can take Golf for stand 31, iFlight 215, thank you.
Air India 865, continue taxi on Papa. And 865.
Air India 865, go ahead.
And 865, taxi via Papa, hold short Delta, QNH 1000.
Taxi via Papa and hold short Delta, Air India 865.
I said 3008, taxi via Papa, hold short Delta, follow Air India 865, Airbus 320.
Taxi via Papa, hold short Delta, follow the Airbus A321 company Air India ahead of us. I said 3008.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, Ahmadabad Tower, sorry for delay, go ahead sir.
Sir, requesting VFR clearance to Bhavnagar as filed. Information Foxtrot on board.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, Roger, stand by 01. Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, current ATC information Golf and visibility is 4000.
Sir, we are simulating VMC conditions and information goals. Thank you.
Roger, Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, confirm, ready to copy here.
Roger, sir, we are ready to copy clearance. Tango Sierra Foxtrot.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, you cleared destination Bhavnagar. Runway 23, after departure, climb on runway heading to 3000 feet, turn left, resume on navigation, squawk VFR.
Clear destination Bhavnagar out of runway 23. Follow runway heading up to 3000 feet, then turn left and on navigation and squawk VFR Tango Sierra Foxtrot.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, break is fully correct, call for push start.
Roger, sir, ready for startup Tango Sierra Foxtrot.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, startup approved, call for 6.
Startup approved, will call for taxi Tango Sierra Foxtrot. Ahmedabad Tower, Air India 1678 Heavy on ILS runway 23.
Air India 1678, confirm DME.
We are 15 DME inbound 23. Air India 1678 Heavy.
Roger, India 1678 Heavy, continue approach runway 23.
Continue approach runway 23, Air India 1678.
India 6, correction, Air India 865, confirm you can accelerate line up runway 23.
Affirmative, Air India 865.
India 865, accelerate runway 23.
Expedite runway 23, Air India 865.
Tower Tango Sierra Foxtrot requesting taxi.
Last name calling, call sign only.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot.
Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot, Roger, taxi via Kilo, hold short runway 05.
Taxi by Kilo and hold set runway 05, Victor Tango Sierra Foxtrot.
Approaching 05.
Tower iFlight 215 on block, switching to Unicom. Thanks for the service. Good day.
Flight 215, Roger, thank you for flying. Good day, bye-bye.
On runway 05, 1,700 meters remaining. Caution, short runway, short runway. On runway 23.
Air India 865 is fully ready for departure.
India 865, Roger, runway 23, clear to take off, wind 300 at 05 now.
Clear for takeoff runway 23, and thank you.
I said 3008, hold full. I said 3008, hold position, number 145.
Hold position Delta number 1 for departure, IFL 3008.
And F 1678, heavy. Runway 23, clear to land, wind 300 at 02.
Clear to land runway 23, Air India 1678 Heavy.
And 865, contact approach 119.8.
Contact approach on 119 decimal. Ahmadabad approach, this is Air India 865, passing flight level 3200 feet, climbing to 6000.
Namaskar, India 865 for radar identified at 3500 feet, continue climb to flight level 150.
Climb flight level 150, Air India 865, thank you.
And one heavy aircraft will 80 request for the descent. And there's one heavy descent to 4006 and 1008.
Descent 4000, descent 1008, yeah.
In the 865 contact center at 132.5. Have a nice flight, bye bye.
Contact center on 132.51. Thanks for your service. Bye bye. Ahmadabad Center, good evening. This is Air India 865 cruising at flight level 150. Request further climb.
Air India 865 climb and maintain flight level 330 unrestricted.
Climb and maintain 330. Air India 865. Thank you. Mumbai approach Namaskar. This is Air India 865. It is flight level
865, Roger, continue to send flight level 110.
Continue descent flight level 110. Air India 865. Request your radar vectors for ILS-27.
All in 865, Roger, expect a vector after my Bravo 403.
Air India 865, say again.
Area 865, expect radar vector after my Bravo 403.
Roger, Air India 865.
Local, established on localizer, I flight 227.
Flight 227, wind 2827 knots, clear for land, runway 27.
Clear to land, runway 27, I flight 227.
Flight 124, radius or high speed and report 1, establish the localizer, runway 27. Flight 124 approach.
Flight 124 continuing approach will let you know when localizer is established.
Flight 124, reduce your airspeed for final approach. Flight 124 approach. Flight 124 Mumbai approach.
Flight 124.
Flight 124, reduce your airspeed for final approach.
Flight 124, reduce airspeed for final approach.
And And for 124 confirm establish the localizer runway 27.
Alpha 124 localizer established runway measure.
Alpha 124 continue approach number 2 for runway 27.
Number 2 for runway 27, Alpha 124.
Air India 865 request further descent.
Air India 865 continue descent flight level 80.
Down to 80. Air India 865.
Alpha 124 Mumbai approach, you are not visible on my radar. Alpha 124 Mumbai approach. Flight 227 taxi to stand Alpha 1 via taxi November 11 November Lima 1 Lima.
Hi, Flight 227, can you repeat the taxiway please?
Flight 227 taxi to stand Alpha 1 via taxi November 10 November Lima 1 Lima.
Taxi to gate Alpha 1 via November 10 November Lima 1 Lima. Flight 227.
Flight 227 Scott standby please.
Squawk standby, Flight 227.
Thank you. And around 865 descend and maintain flight level 070.
Descend and maintain flight level 070. Air India 865.
Flight 65 after Mike Bravo 3901 turn right heading 180. Heading 865 Mumbai approach.
Air India 865, say again.
Heading 865 after Mike Bravo 3901 turn right heading 180.
Turn right heading 180, Air India 86.
And in the 865 descend and maintain 3800 QNH 1008.
Descend and maintain 3800 feet QNH 1008, Air India 865.
Heading 865 turn right heading 240 descend and maintain 2600. Report established localizer runway 27.
Right heading 240, descend and maintain 2800 feet, Air India 86. Air India 865 confirm cleared ILS approach runway 27.
India 165 for Roger, report when established localizer runway 27.
Roger, report when established runway 27, Air India 865.
Heading 865 for turn right, heading 300 now, and now report when you establish the localizer.
Right heading 300, report established runway 27 ILS. Air India 865, established runway ILS 27.
Heading 865 for wind 2807 knots, clear for land, runway 27.
Clear to land runway 27, Air India 865.
Flight 227 approach, confirm on blocks.
Flight 227, there was a problem with my scenery. I confirm I'm at a gate. I don't know about the number.
No issue, sir. You can monitor 122.8. Welcome to Mumbai. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Flight 227.
Approaching 27.
Glide slow.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Nine hundred meters remaining.
Air India 865 vacated runway via November 9.
Air India 865 865 taxi to stand Alpha 12 via November 9, November Lima 1 Lima.
Taxi to stand Alpha 9er via November 1 Lima, Air India 865.
Air India 865 stand number Alpha 12 12.
Correction, Alpha 12 stand number. Air India
Air India 865 squawk standby please.
So already we have squawk standby. Air India 865. We will check once again. Air India 865. Now squawk standby. Confirm.
Affirmative sir, thank you. And Air India 865 turn to next left and straight ahead Alpha 6.
Air India 865. Say again. Air India 865. Say again.
Air India 865 turn straight ahead there is the gate Alpha 6.
Roger, gate Alpha 6, Air India 865.